Hi everyone, today with me I have a Colsen fire pit. Now this is a portable little fire pit that you can take with you, and I absolutely love setting it up for the winter, and you can even use it to make s'mores. You're going to receive a little sticker, of course the warning instructions, and even a coaster to put it on top of. Remember that this is going to get very hot, and the way to use it is to fill it up around 1 inch before it fills to the top with your fluid. For example, you can use 70% isopropyl alcohol, light it up, and there you go, there is a fire. It is super easy to use, it is super small and compact, so you can take this wherever you go, and I absolutely love the design of it. They have other colors as well, but I absolutely adored this one. It looks super sleek and nice, and you should definitely read everything that they have to tell you in the warning instructions. For example, you want to make sure you wipe out any spills, you don't blow out the fire, you fill 1 inch from the top, and you use a long handle lighter to light it up. You want to be super careful with your hand, but what I really like about it is the fact that it can burn for 40 minutes at a time, and it is safe and clean burning, and it is absolutely great. It looks gorgeous lit up, and I definitely recommend you guys check this out, especially for the winter times, so you can have some more s'mores outside in the nice cold winter. Check it out on Amazon. It is a must-have.